I guess you can see my screen. So, first of all, I'll read some guideline for this call. So, first of all, let's keep this space welcoming by treating each other respectfully and kindly. Remember, please, that this call is recorded and will be shared publicly. So, if you don't want to show your face or your voice, please turn off your camera and your microphone. And please remember to add your name in this section. So I'm Leonardo Di Giovanna, and today I'll be your MC, as I said. And I'll start by giving you some small update about the fact that Falco 0.41.2 has been released. These basically include a very small change in the container plugin. So basically, the change is this. And in this way, we are able to correctly detect the fact that the ID, the thread ID is not set in the event that we emit. Before this fix, we were using one, which was wrongly associated to the thread ID one, basically. So the systemd or the other init process, if the event was not associated with any container. So this was basically the reason why we released this. And after this, I would like to introduce you with an initiative that me and other people in the community are taking forward. This initiative is mainly related to gaining some performance point, and the main document that explain what is this initiative and why we decided to move on has been merged with this PR proposed by Andrea. And as you can see, this introduce a proposal which you can find easily under proposal. And the main reasoning behind the main reason why we merged this PR is to scale in high core count architecture. And what is this proposal stating is that we can scale by disabling the support for syscall enter events. And in order to do this, we have to follow some steps, because we cannot immediately drop the support for enter events without doing some housekeeping. So we decided to split the work in more than one step. And one of these steps has been tracked in this issue, which I created some time ago, specifically 3 weeks ago. And basically, what we are doing here is extending the exit events with all the parameters that are present in the enter event. In this way, we will keep all the information in the exit event, and we will be able to drop the corresponding enter event, because these enter events will not contain any additional information anymore. So as you can see here, we have a list of event couple, let's say, because each let's say event has an enter flavor and an exit flavor. So here we have a list of, and each entry represent both these flavors. And we did already some work for some system call. As you can see, there are a lot of PRs that has been merged, and there are like 40 event couples that need to be handled. And as you can see, for example, here there is the readv system call that has not been assigned to anyone. So if you want to extend the corresponding exit event with the enter event parameters, you can do simply by assigning these to yourself by simply posting here a message like I did for the new map and map system call. And basically that's it. We did a lot of work already, and also thanks to people coming from the community, specifically to Terror 96. We did that did a great job in converting a lot of system calls. So once this initiative will come to a conclusion, we will go to the next step of this big proposal and trying to figure out how to drop completely the enter events in all the drivers that we support. Yeah, basically that's it. Also, we will figure out how to handle with this new approach the TOC2 mitigation that we have already in place for some system call. And both these points that I raised here have been discussed in these two issue, which I will link in the in this document for your reference. If you want to, you can join this discussion. And so basically that's it. I don't know if you have some comments on this. Do you have some questions on how to join the initiative, or if there is some point that you want to be clarified, please feel free to ask. In the meantime, I'll stop the sharing, and I'll update the document with the tracking issue, which I showed to you, and the other issues that I mentioned in the talk. So basically, if you don't have any question or any concern to arise, I think we can close this bi-weekly meeting. And thank you for your attention, and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye, folks.